Like earlier, we discussed data types and we mentioned numerics, we talk about text, we talk about sequence, we talk about binary, and so on and so forth. Now we're moving ahead to variables, which are elements in Python. Okay. Now variables are name that represents a value, and you can use it to store and manipulate data throughout your program. Okay, so in Python, we try to create a variable called age, as you can see from the picture, assign a value to it. What is the variable? The variable is age. What value does it carry? 15, which is numeric. This is an integer. Okay, the 15 is an integer. Okay, so if it's a float number, it will be 15.3 or 0.1 or 0.5 because it's a decimal. Okay, now whenever you need to use that age value in your program, you can just use the variable name age. For example, print I am. We concatenate using the operator. We will discuss the operator also as part of the elements of function in Python. We use the addition operator, which we use to concatenate uh, in Python. So string, which is age, years old. So the output will be I am 15 years old. In this example, the variable age is assigned to the value